The following program contains adult language, poor taste in jokes, racial slurs, political slurs, slants, and all sorts of things that if you are sensitive and have a delicate constitution, you should probably go watch Teletubbies. You were warned.
Hey kids, welcome back. It has been a way too long of a time. Not a hell of a lot has changed since the last time I talked to you. Winter is coming to an end, which is good. No snow on the ground, but we got nil for water and snow this winter. My lake is still stupid slow.
Oh, no tears, please.
I have not built any new boats. I had somebody ask me the other day, I think in my boat group I saw a message, "Hey JJ, what are you building?" And nothing. Absolutely nothing. Zip kits, Joe's a little bit behind. He's been busy as hell trying to get new kits out. There's a Blazer Marine build. I'm actually thinking about doing a fiberglass hull on the channel just for something to do. In case you can see this cord here, I'm charging my camera because it's dead. This is kind of an emergency video. One, just to tell you guys I am still alive. I'm not dead. I have not given up boats. I've sold a few so we can get new boats on the channel, which is cool. New kits, and right now it's looking like it's going to be fiberglass for a while because there's no new wood boat kits out. But purpose of this video is an interesting one. My buddy JJ Horvath, who's a big time racer down in Florida, pretty well known guy in the boat industry. He knows Joe, and JJ and I are very good friends. And he brought something to my attention that somebody is on a boat group thing on Facebook that's using my boats and saying that they're their builds. It's kind of pathetic, I think, whoever this is. And I'm going to tell you who it is because if you guys are a friend of mine or just have a little bit of principles, let's just say that, I want you to go to this and just bash the shit out of this guy, because how pathetic do you have to be and how unskilled that you're stealing a boat identity from somebody. I mean, he's got pictures of my boats on this group chat, and JJ's called him out on it. JJ's the one that brought to my attention. I don't have Facebook. And he's like, those are my buddy JJ Rotogeek's boats, and I can prove it. I still have a couple of them in the garage here. They're in the shop. I will show them to you before this video's out. He has one of my Blazer Marine Hydros in there. He has one of my Outriggers on there. A black catamaran that I actually got off of JJ Horvath that I fixed up, that I sold to a good friend of mine in Texas not too long ago. Really? You're saying my builds are yours? Now, don't get me wrong. This doesn't upset me. If anything, I suppose it's flattering, right? But that's pretty fucking sad, pretty pathetic, that you would do that. So I'm gonna show you as soon as I figure out where the hell I did it. All right, did I save that? Oh yeah. Here's the guy's name. Maybe I'll flip this around. Anything Hydroplanes, I believe, is the group. mtc.rcboat.vietnam, VN, I'm assuming. But if you go to this, anything hydroplanes, that's my frickin' boat. Like, literally, it's behind me. This is my workbench, guys. And I took a picture of, right now, that's me going bald, and that's the hydroplane in that picture. Ass munch. So I think that cat, and he's like, gonna test a new prop on one of the backlashes. Well, he got that right. It is a backlash, but he's not testing shit because it's in my shop. What was the other ones he got? My buddy JJ Horvath here. Let's see. Here is one of the Tonka boat I built. New R4 FE build. Hopefully do the maiden tomorrow. No, you're not. That's my boat, and I sold it to a friend of mine. And there's my Hydro again. And there is the black cat that I got off JJ Horvath in Florida that I repainted, whatever, and sold to my buddy in Texas. It's in Texas right now. And JJ even said, my old boat that JJ RotoGeek fixed, ... So my wife, Mrs. RotoGeek, and JJ have been apparently blasting this guy. Go to that group and just give this guy shit. And if he's Vietnamese, I don't care. I'm not racist. I hate everybody equally. It's just fucking pathetic. I'm sorry. If somebody asks this guy to go build a Blazer Backlash, he's in big trouble because I'm sure he knows not how to do this, as Yoda would say. So, I don't know. Whatever happened to... And my wife is mad as a cut snake. She is so pissed. And I'm not. Come on. It's a hobby. It's fun. Whatever. Now, if he said, "Oh, I'll sell you this," and he's scamming people that way, that's pretty uncool. But I don't know if that's going on. But come on, don't believe everything on the internet, guys. I am not MTC, whoever, whatever the fuck that is putting that Blazer Backlash. I built that when I still lived in Ohio, which was 4 years ago, and I'll prove it to you. There's one of them. There's the one in the picture. My boats, not his. I'd be happy to sell him one if he wants to spend a lot of money in shipping. Yeah, plug his package. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's royally pathetic. If this guy can speak English, a big fat pile of fuck you to you, and don't copy other people's shit. Especially when the person you're copying still has the boat in his garage. It's even my workbench. Look, guys. Picture it. Do you picture it? What a tool. I hope he gets fucking kicked off of Facebook. Anyway, I am so live. We will have boat content. The weather's coming up. It's getting better. We're gonna carry on, and hopefully we'll still have enough water in the lake to run a boat. So anyway, guys, if you're a supporter of this channel, you don't have to give me a subscribe or a thumbs up. Just go to Facebook and give this cock sneeze a good whack for me. I would appreciate that. Keep the dry side up, kids. Bye.